So today it's very rainy. I've cleaned out my boot. I've just got my tools and my stuff for the van, and that's got all kind of DIY stuff in. And I'm gonna just got my pint of tea. I'm just gonna take the top off the. I'm gonna take these bars down. Take the top off the bed. Try and get the frame off. And then try my best to get this frame off. I'll take that cupboard out as well. And then there's just the wood burner and the kitchen unit, and I'm going to take this row off. I think, because it was quite a nightmare, the ceiling, I think I'm just going to rub down and paint or do something to the ceiling, keep it up, and just put my skylights in. Might have to cut a little bit out of there. So I'll do a little short video of what I've got done today. Just little steps, eh? Okay, next stage of demolition transit van. So today I've done about, I don't know, nearly 4 hours. Here, you can see, I've packed up all my kitchen, which is ready to go on a new adventure. I have taken everything out of that. I haven't took the cooker out yet. I took the doors off. Took the doors off my cubby hole, my pantry. Put my taps out. It looks like, because I'm trying to work out how this was fitted in. I've got to take this panel off, but this is screwed through that, and then this is loose, this board here, and the screw up there, and I think probably behind the cooker. So I'm leaving that for now. Well, I'm leaving everything for now. So I've still got a bed frame, which was my intention to take out today. So I'll just crawl through this little hole into the back. Sorry if it's wobbler. Right, and this. So today I've beat myself up quite badly. Here I was trying to get through, crack the front of my head. Trying to rip off because I've done like a sun back a bit. Took this bit of panelling off, and it was really hard to get off, and at one point I was wrenching it and I fell backwards. Trying to take the screws out of here, and I fell backwards on the floor and smashed on my elbow. Bloody knuckles again. So I've took quite a lot of these out, and if I show you, this is kind of loose. This is loose, but I can't get the ones out of here. I can't get the ones out of here. Can't get the ones out of here because you have to take this frame off first, and then I can unscrew the floor. So I've tried with my my handy little Bosch, but unfortunately this one goes backwards, but it just keeps slipping, like the end, it keeps slipping and then coming loose. And my other drill is very old, and it plugs into the mains, but it doesn't go backwards, it only goes forwards. So I'm a bit gutted I couldn't get the frame out. I'm kind of half wondering whether to get my jigsaw out, because I was going to try and use as much wood as possible, obviously, and cut just the ends off and then rip the frame out, which I probably will do. But for now I've done enough. I'm tired. The van is filled with wood, but I'm really glad. Oh, there is my what was my pantry. It's filthy, but I probably won't be putting that anywhere else, so I might just dismantle it and see if I can use the wood for anything. So I won't show you what I look like because I'm really riffy and look tired today. But that's a little bit more steps towards it. Got the lights there I've managed to just carefully take out. So yeah, another day. I'll probably cut this frame out unless I can get anyone to bring a drill that is more powerful and that's got maybe a bit more strength than me. And then the kitchen unit, and I think it looks like I'm probably going to leave the ceiling in and paint it, and just replace the skylights. Anyway, I'd like to say always, thank you to all my friends that support me and help me and just keep me going, because like this is like a brand new fresh start and I'm really excited about rebuilding my van. It's like what I'm living for at the moment, because it's a project and I needed something like this. I needed something that I was going to build and start fresh and change all the layout, and it'll be like a brand new van. So happy Sunday, everybody. It's a quick little update. I just couldn't go and have a soak in the bath before I did this. I've cut it out. After all the stress and the strain and the bumps and the knuckles, I've took it out. I've cut it. So I've still got some really big long chunks of wood there if I want to use it. It would have been long enough for the bed frame that I was going to put in. I'm going to be putting in anyway. So the next thing is just to, I can't get the last few screws out of there. I think I've got most of them. I think there's one or two that I just can't budge. And then the other side of that is the unit, which is screwed to that big board. So I've now got an even bigger space. So there we go. I'm going to have some nosh and have a soak in the bath because I hurt. Bye.